We're gonna start with the cooler reservoir. It's properly mounted and secure. No missing bolts. Cap present. It's on the adequate level. The electrical plug is in the lock position. It's no loose wires. Properly secure. All the hoses are properly secure. No cuts, no holes, no leaks. But are properly strapped and secure with the clamps at the ends. And all of them. The oil dipstick. If I want to check, it's secured. If I want to check it, I will pull it out, clean it, put it inside, put it back out, and make sure it's on the right level. If it is missing, I will add it up on the oil reservoir. Okay, now let's go to the other side. On this side, we got the steering reservoir. The steering reservoir is properly mounted and secure, properly strapped, no missing bolts. It's on the mass level, cap present. It also has the dipstick. If I want to pull it out, make sure clean it, put it inside, put it back out, and make sure it's on the right level. The hoses are properly secure, no cuts, no frame, no damage, no leaks. Secure with the clamps on both sides. This hose take me to the steering pump, properly mounted and secure. It's gear driven, no visible leaks, and bolted properly. The air compressor is properly mounted and secure. I don't hear no audible leak. All the hoses and lines are properly secure. All fittings are not leaking, not damaged, and properly mounted. I got the hose right here. It goes to the steering gearbox. The steering gearbox properly mounted and secure, no missing bolts, attached to the frame. It's also gear driven, no visible leaks, no illegal welding. On this side, I got the pitman arm. Pitman arm is properly mounted and secure to the gearbox, no illegal welding, no dents, no damage, secure with a castle nut, a cutter pin, and both sides. I got the bushing. No frame, no cut, no damage, properly secure. Right here, I got the drag link. The drag link is properly mounted and secure. No illegal welding, no damage. And connects to the steering knuckle. Steering knuckle is not damaged, no bent, no illegal welding. And also secure with a castle nut, a cutter pin. And on the back, I have the tie wrap. The tie wrap is properly mounted and secure. No dents, no damage, no illegal welding. Attached to the tires. Now we're gonna do the tires. The tire is properly even on the top. The side walls, both sides, no cuts, no damage, no bubble, no bunches, no leaks. And it's secure to the rim on both sides. This tire is 100 psi. The depth thread is 432nd. And if I want to check, I will bring a car gauge and make sure it's in the proper depth. And I also bring a PSI gauge and make sure it's on the proper pressure. My rim is not cracked, not damaged, not broken, no illegal welding. And all my lock nuts are present, no shiny metal they indicate they loose. My hose seal is properly mounted and secure, and it's on the proper level and no visible leaks. Now I come inside here. I got my suspension. This is my leaf spring. My leaf spring is properly mounted and secure, no depth, no damage. And it's properly secured to the leaf spring hangers, front mounts, and rear mounts. Bolted properly to the framing, and no damage. I got my chocks. My chocks are properly mounted and secure, no leaks. No missing bolts, bottom and top. Okay, now I got my brake line. My brake line is no holes, no leaks, no damage, properly secure with the clamps. Connects to my brake chamber. My brake chamber is properly mounted and secure, no audible leak, no missing bolts. My push rod, lock adjuster, they're both properly mounted and secure. No illegal welding, no missing cotter pin. And if I release my parking brake, it should have no more than 1 inch of plate. Inside my tire, I got my brake lining and my brake drums. Properly mounted and secure, no space in between my drums and my brake lining, no contamination, no oil or grease, and have a less of quarter material on my brake lining. Now I finish with my inside. we gotta come to the side. My monitor devices. My mirror bracket properly mounted and secured to the truck. No missing bolts. Bracket not bent, not damaged, no legal welding. My mirror. It's not cracked, not broken, not damaged, no legal sticker. On the side here, I got my lenses. Color amber, not broken, not damaged. Should be working properly. On this side, I got my battery. My battery is properly mounted and secure with the proper latch. And if I open it, I make sure the seat or the cables are properly secure, no corrosion, and no access around my cable. It should be secured 100%. I got my fuel tank. My fuel tank is properly mounted and secure, no bends, no damage, no illegal welding. I don't see any leaks on the bottom. All the hoses on the bottom are properly secure. Cap present. If I want to check, I will open and make sure the seal, the chain is properly secured to the tank. On this side, I got my framing. Framing is properly bolted and secure. No missing bolts. No damage. No illegal welding. Okay, and it's secure to my rear tires on both sides. Now we're gonna start with the combination. We're gonna start with the airlines. Red emergency, blue service. This is called the glass hands. The glass hands, they're both on the lock position. I don't hear no audible leak. If I check, I make sure that I disconnect and make sure the seal is not damaged. Okay, all the hoses are properly secure, not tangled, no holes. Any leaks that I can hear, it's not touching the catwalk, and it's secure to my tractor, to my fitting. All my fittings are properly secure, no leaks. My glass handle support is properly bolted to the truck, not damaged, and it's also secure to the top of the truck. My electrical one is the green one. It's secure to the truck and the trailer. If I check both sides, I pull it out and make sure there's no props or debris inside the connection and no damage. If I come on the bottom, we gotta do the apron. The apron, no illegal welding, no holes, no damage, and it's resting on the fifth wheel ski plate. I don't see any space in between my apron and my ski plate. My fifth wheel ski plate is properly lubricated, no damage. I don't see no illegal welding, and it's secure to the platform. The platform is bolted properly to the frame. I don't see any missing bolts or no shiny thread that indicate it's loose. My release arm is on the lock position, not bent, not damaged. And my locking key fifth wheel is properly mounted and secure. No missing cotter pin. And everything is properly lubricated. Inside my fifth wheel, I'm gonna find the kingpin and the locking jar. My kingpin is not bent, not damaged. And my locking jar, it should be locked around the kingpin. Okay, and properly lubricated. I come to the back. I got my lenses. My lenses are properly mounted and secure. No damage. Red, properly sealed. My reverse light, properly mounted and secure. Not broken, and it's working properly. I cut to the back to my trailer. I got my reflector right here, color amber, not damaged, not broken, secure. I got my DOT, red and white tape, all the way to the truck, 50% present. I got my clearance lights on the top. They color amber, not broken, not damaged, working properly. I got my landing gear, full race, properly lubricated. Landing gear support is not bent, not damaged, no illegal welding, no missing bolts. My landing gear, both sides they should be properly mounted and secure. My handle is on the lock position, no missing bolts. And if I would like to check, I will crack it down and make sure that my landing gear path, they both touch the floor evenly. And no damage. Come here, my reflector light, properly mounted and secure, no damage. Color amber. My reflector properly mounted and secure. No missing screws. And working properly. I come through the back. I got my lenses. Red. Not broken, not damaged. Top and bottom. Properly secure. I come here. I got my lenses on the back. I got my tail light and my brake light on both sides. Not broken, not damaged. Color red. And secure. I got my DOT tail reflector, properly mounted and secure. Also present on my bumper, DOT. And I got my clearance light, not broken, not damaged, color red, properly secure. And this is, I complete my whole outside inspection.